Assalamu alaikum. How are you doing today? It means that you are safe and sound. And so we are definitely making this video for all of you, and we are making this video, we are building and constructing in this video for painter. Okay, those painter that don't have information about the constructing about the building of this place. It has connection with car, and if you want to find the car, and you have to look at this video, and the painter is painting the mudguard right now, and we are extremely genius, and the painter extremely genius. He is rubbing the mudguard, and he has prepared these places in the car, these parts of the car, and the painter is definitely, and we are a painter and denter. This is our workshop. We always work it here. Okay, when you wanna come here, you have to contact with us. Okay, the painter is painting the mudguard, and you must be watching the result of this video. Okay, and so you are looking at this mudguard, and the painter is painting, and mudguard has been painted. Thank you so much for watching and learning something.